Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent Meet application to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the lock screen option here, and now on this list we are looking for the Meet application. Here it is. By default they are all on. You can disable or enable them all using the switch at the top, but if you want to turn on or off a single app, we need to use the switch on the side here. So right now the Meet application won't be able to send notifications while our lock screen is on, and now it will be. Pretty easy, and that's all. Goodbye.